Hello friends, welcome to All Knowledge Education channel. In this video, we are going to see about types of nouns. The two main types of nouns are common noun and proper noun. Let us see briefly about it. Common noun, a word such as a book or town that refers to an object or a thing, but it is not the name of a particular person, place, or a thing. Common noun is always a common word. This common word will not be a unique or a particular name of a person, place, thing. For example, people is a common noun. My friends is a common noun. School is a common noun. My friends, you may have many friends. So that to represent all these friends, a common word friend is used. So friend is a common noun. Like that only people and school also. Animals is also a common noun. Common nouns aim any person, place or a thing. Common nouns are not capitalized anywhere. But when the common nouns come at the beginning of the sentence, it is capitalized. Down given some examples. Common nouns examples are these people, animal, places and things are altogether called as common nouns. Let us see some exercises for common nouns. My favorite newspaper is the Washington Post. In this, newspaper is a common noun because newspaper is a common word that represent all the types of newspaper in the world. Since newspaper is a common word here, my favorite newspaper is a Washington sentence. Newspaper is selected as a common noun. Her friend is name is Sheila. In this, friend is a common noun. The award-winning Babe Ruth is the greatest baseball player in the history. So, baseball player means there are many names, but they in this sentence they given only Babe Ruth. So, baseball player altogether is a common word regarded as the common noun. His father is a big businessman. In this sentence, father is a common noun. Donald Trump visited many queens and kings. So there are many queens and kings, namely Victoria, Elizabeth, like that many queens are there. But to represent all these, a common word queen is used. So in last sentence, queens and kings are only common nouns. Common nouns are always common words that do not have a particular name. Let us see about proper nouns. Proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or a thing. But common noun is not a particular name, but proper noun is a particular name. Proper noun are always in capital letter. Proper noun are the special name of a people, place, animals and things. So I told that proper noun is in capital letter. For example, a name Aditi. In this A is capital. Rahul, R is capital. The Taj Mahal, T is capital and even M is also capital. And some special days of week, month are also in capital letter. For example, Wednesday, W is capital. Republic Day, R is capital. Let us see some exercises for proper nouns. Common noun versus proper noun. Common noun do not have a name. Proper noun has a name. For example, car is a common word. Audi is a type of a car, so it is a proper noun. Country is a common noun and England is a proper noun. Exercises for proper noun. Sentence 1. Asif lives in Kolkata near the Howrah Bridge. In this, Asif is a particular name. So, Asif is a proper noun. Kolkata. Kolkata is a particular name of a place. So, it is also a proper noun. Howrah Bridge is a unique name in a place. So, Howrah Bridge is also a proper noun. Sentence 2. My birthday was the last Saturday in March. So I already told you that the weeks and days of a month or a year are always proper noun. So Saturday and March are proper nouns. Sentence 3. Last Diwali we went to Jaipur for a holiday. There are many festivals. So in that uniquely Diwali is given. So Diwali is a proper noun and Jaipur is the proper noun because it is a particular place. Simran bought a new pair of shoes. In this, Simran is a proper noun because it is a particular name of a people. So Simran is a proper noun here. The best runner came from Kenya. So best runner, there may be many best runners. So it is not regarded as the proper noun. It's a common noun. And Kenya. Kenya is a particular place in a country or in this world. So Kenya is a proper noun noted here. Sentence 6. My parrot Polly makes a lot of noise. In this, parrot is a common noun because parrot name is specifically given in this sentence, that is the Polly. So Polly is a proper noun here. So bye bye friends. Let us meet in the next video with the other two types of nouns. Signing off from me, Pradeep.